So we let you guys hear it before with the original mufflers on it. It's a SALEEN. This is what it's got after. It's got high flow cats and headers. Then it's got a BBK X pipe. And then we put Flowmaster Super 10s on it in place of the regular stock mufflers. Right there and right there. These SALEENs, that's how they come. They have one dumped down and one into the center tips. That's how SALEENs are. They give that look. So that's what she looks like. That's what we just got done on it. Gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2008 Ford Mustang ROUSH 4.6 liter 428R supercharged. Got custom bumper, stock catalytic converters that he's gonna bring back. We're gonna put high flows on. Got a custom X pipe. We just did a resonator delete on it. And it's got no mufflers. Straight piped out the back somewhere else they've done it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a minute, how it's gonna sound. There it is. So it's basically true dualed all the way back. Much cleaner. Here's the sound decibels. To about a 117 instead of 110. If you guys want to purchase those Flowmasters, there's be a link in the description for them. Flowmaster Super 10 on a SALEEN Mustang. A true SALEEN. Again, 2008 with a 428 stage 2 supercharge. Owner's smiling, so he's happy. That's what we took off the SLPs. Everybody's smiling. Crackle and pop. Just park it there. I guess it's number 1567. There's the badge, the 281 supercharged. Once again, give it to the other guy. Mustang SALEEN.